simplify the Boolean function f of ABCD is equal to sigma 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15. Reduce it using K-map. This is the function. If you are getting one question, first itself you have to check how many variables are there. 4 variables. What are all the variables? A, B, C, D. So you have to draw a K-map with 4 variables. So you have to draw 16 column K-map. We need to represent 0 to 15 in this K-map. You have to draw this K-map like this and one slanting line here. Then below the slanting line, which is the variable? A and B. Above the slanting line, next two variables C, D. Then how to write these numbers? Here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the order 0, 1, 3, 2. That is a gray code. You have to write this in this order. Same like that you can write on the top also. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Next, write the meantime for this 0, 0. What is the equivalent representation of 0, 0? 0, 0 is A bar, B bar. 0, 1 is A bar, B. 1, 1, A, B. 1, 0 is equivalent to A, B bar. Same like that. Top side also. 0, 0 is equivalent to C bar, D bar. 0, 1 is equivalent to C bar, D. 1, 1 is equivalent to C, D. 1, 0 is equivalent to C, D bar. 1, 0 means C, D bar. Then what is the next step? We need to write the numbers 0 to 15. Then how to write that numbers? See, this column is first need to consider this left side. Left side is 0, 0. Top side is 0, 0. So this column means 0, 0, 0, 0. That is equivalent to decimal number 0. That number you have to write at the top of bottom right corner in small size with pencil. You have to write with a pencil in small size. This one is 0. Next column 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1 is equivalent to 1. Next 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1 is 3. 0, 0, 1, 0 is 2. That is the first row 0, 1, 3, 2. Then the next row 0, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0 is equivalent to 4. Next one 0, 1, 0, 1. That is 5. 0, 1, 1. That is 0, 1, 1 is equivalent to 7. 0, 1, 1, 0 is equivalent to 6. Next one 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0 is equivalent to 12. 1, 1, 0, 1 is equivalent to 13. 1, 1, 1, 1, 15. 1, 1, 1, 0, 14. Next 1, 0, 0, 0. That is 1, 0, 0 is 8. 1, 0, 0, 1, 9. 1, 0, 1, 1 is 11. 1, 0, 1, 0 is 10. See, you have to write these numbers with a pencil in small size at the bottom right corner. Then if you can write like this, you can write, or you can by heart this numbers. First row is 0, 1, 3, 2. Next one 4, 5, 7, 6. 12, 13, 15, 14. 8, 9, 11, 10. See here, first column even numbers. Second, odd numbers. Here also odd numbers. Last, even numbers. That is the first and last column, even numbers. Middle column is even, or middle columns, all the numbers are odd numbers. Okay. Then, what is the next step? Check the question. See sigma 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 15. In that columns you have to write 1. Which column is 1? See here 1. Then write the number 1. 2. Then 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13 and 50. This is the numbers. See, first you have to represent 1 in all these columns. Next, the remaining columns you can put 0. Okay. Then what is the next step? First we have to check is there any octet. What is the meaning of octet? 8 ones are adjacent. 8 ones are adjacent is called octet. Here, is there any octet? Yeah, see here. Here, 8 ones are adjacent. First, so you have to encircle that octet. Like this, you have to circle that octet. Then, what is the reduced expression of that octet? By octet reduction rule, we have seen that using octet reduction rule, we can remove how many variables? 3 variables. Then, reduce the expression of octet is equal to, how can you find out the reduced expression of this octet? For that, first you have to check the left side. What is the left side? A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. So first consider the first case. Here see B bar is changing to B. So we can remove B. Then the first, see second and third, here A bar is changing to A. So we can remove both the variables A and B. We can remove both the variables A and B. Then consider the top side. In top side, C bar D, CD. Which one is changing? See, C bar is changing to C. So we can remove the variable C also. Then which variable is remaining? D. Only D. That is, using the octet reduction rule, we can remove 3 variables. From 4 variables A, B, C, D, A, B and C removed. Only D is remaining. Next, consider, is there any quad? What is the meaning of quad? Quad is 4 ones are adjacent. 4 ones are adjacent is called quad. Is there any quad? In this came up, there is no quad. Okay. Then check, is there any pair? See, this one is not included in any circle. So we need to include this one in one circle. So check, is there any pair? See here, we can make this one and this one as a pair. This one is a pair. Then next, reduced expression of pair 1. This one is the pair 1. How to find out the reduced expression of this pair? First, consider the left side. What is in left side? A, B bar. A, B bar is in left side. Then consider the top side. Top side is C bar, D bar, C bar, D. Which variable is changing? D bar is changing to D. D bar is changing to D. Which is remaining there? C bar is there. So the reduced expression of pair 1 is equal to A, B bar, C bar. Next, Is there any other pair? See here, 1 is there. We need to include this one in this pair. This one is another pair. Okay, this is the second pair. Then reduce the expression of pair 2, which is the reduced expression of pair 2. Consider the left side. Which is on the left side? A bar, B bar. Right? A bar, B bar. Then consider the top side. What are the variables? CD, CD bar. Which is changing? CD and CD bar. That is D is changing to D bar. So which is remaining there? C. That is A bar, B bar, C. Okay. A bar, B bar, C. So these are the reduced expressions. So reduced SOP. How to find out the reduced SOP? Our question, what is the aim? We need to find out the reduced sum of product form. Reduced SOP is equal to, what is the full form of SOP? SOP is sum of product. Sum of product means sum of min terms. So we need to sum all these three min terms. Then reduced SOP is equal to D plus A, B bar, C bar plus A bar, B bar, C. This is the reduced SOP. Okay. So if you want to find out the reduced expression, reduced SOP, first itself we have to check how many variables are there. What are all the variables? If it is if there is 4 variables, first itself we have to draw 4 variables. 4 variable came up and write the numbers. This 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then the corresponding term also need to write. After that, you have to write the inside numbers, column numbers 0 to 15. First row is 0, 1, 3, 2. Second row is 4, 5, 7, 6. Third one 12, 13, 15, 14. Last row is 8, 9, 11, 10. First, you have to write that numbers. That numbers you have to write with a pencil in small size at the bottom right corner of each column. Then check the question and in this numbers, in all these columns you have to put 1. The remaining columns you can write 0. Then check is there any octet. That is, octet means 8 ones are adjacent. Then find out is there any quad. Next check is there any pair. Then find out all the reduced expression. Then for finding the reduced SOP, we need to add all that 3 min terms. That is, reduced SOP is equal to this. We need to add these 3 min terms. That is, SOP means sum of product or sum of min terms.